everybody, it's your favorite old people, and we are out here at my niece's house getting ready to restore Poppy. So we've cleaned some stuff up, and now I'm gonna clean up some more stuff. I'm gonna take I found the curtains. I'm gonna use them for a pattern to make new curtains. I have the cushions. We're gonna take those off the foam, and so I can use those for a pattern as well and make new slip covers. So that's just what we're doing today. We're gonna try to get Poppy ready so we can start using her.
You're
turning it on.
Do I want to know?
The purple thing showed up again.
Oh, okay. Well, this is what all we got done. We got all the stuff pulled out. Got it relatively cleaned out with all the big stuff. And right now we're just trying to get the crap off the floor. So we still got to get the key yet because it's dead bolted shut. So we got to get the key yet to be able to freely go in and out as we wish. That's our grandnephew Johnny helping, and our grandniece hopping on the thing, Nene.
Got it? Watch out, Nene.
And the sun.
And the sun eating gummy bears. You won't share with anybody.
And Mama Stump Grinder in there.
Stump grinder, Mama.
Well, we got Poppy cleaned out, got the ends pushed in, and got it to go down about 3 or 4 inches, but that's about the extent of it right now. We got to go in and rebuild the or at least lubricate up the cable system, so hopefully that'll work, and then we'll be able to get her down. Not too bad for first day. She does have trailer brakes. This is the front of it. Only about a half a canister full of trash that was in there. It wasn't too bad. No, it really wasn't as bad as it looked. Here we are. Michael and Ben are working on tearing out this bench. We've already got this side down, and that side is broken apart. We just got to get it away from the wall.
Yeah, I just need the screwdriver from Benny.
Alright. The inverter seems to be causing a little bit more trouble than what Crystal was used to.
Why I said use the drill.
If looks could kill, I'd be dead. It's gonna be on that side where all the other wires are coming in there, honey. You may have to take those breakers out. I'm straw bussing from the outside of the trailer because I can't get my big behind in there.
Wait a minute.
You see where they're screwed in right there? On that bar, on that bus bar?
Yeah.
Right there, what would be the top of what you're looking at?
Pretty good stuff. Gecko life. Gecko life.
So unscrew the whole
Hey, you know what the
bus. G-Pops. Trying to figure it out.
G-Pops has got it figured out.
Just gotta get it done.
Exactly.
Like that.
There's spider webs in there.
Yeah, that. Sorry, it's broken.
Very cool. I have to put stuff down, so this is Poppy without that banquet setting sectional thing that went on this end. And I swept the floor. Isn't it pretty? There's G-Pops.
Thanks to Smart One
There's
bringing the drill finally.
There's the sink and the stove, and then this is where the table and the 2 benches were. So I got all that.
Show how big it is.
Got all that done. So it's a big pop-up. It's way bigger than the other one we had. There's our hot water heater. Probably going to replace that with one of those instant on-demand ones just to save some space.
If you were to take the back off of this, would you be able to unlock it?
We still have to do the roof. The roof is yucky.
I don't know.
But
like
we'll get to it.
Yeah, the rivets.
We can't do everything today.
Destroy the door.
So, anyway, so this is where we are.
Time to take the refrigerator out. We got the lid pulled off. Let's see what's going on here. That looks like one of the holding tanks there, so see what's going on with that. I think the holding tanks are under the floor rather than in the cabin here. We'll see what it is. We're getting ready to take off the sink and the stove mechanism and try to figure out how to do that. We've already got the covers off of it. And then we're going to, we got the refrigerator out, by the way. And we're going to see what we can do to salvage that mechanism. But I need to take some measurements of that cabinet so I can make sure it gets back in there just about the same distance.
So G-Pops is down on that end of the trailer. And me and Nene and Benny and Michael are on this end of the trailer, because when you take all the weight out of one end, I'm sure I'm making everybody sick with this, and you leave all the weight in the other end, only one person can work down there. So
because
we're holding it down. We already flipped it once. It was pretty funny. So, but we're, you know, it is what it is. It was funny.
I hope I don't get in trouble for this.
I had mine.
Well, we got the sink and the stove mechanism off. Got that done. That's all we got left to tearing all the cabinets out. Looks like Mama's getting ready to play He-Man here.
Is there actually peanut butter and jelly in them?
There's peanut butter in it.
No jelly.
Look out, Nene.
I'm going to set it right here because I can't pick it up and throw it over there.
Say hi, Nene.
Hi.
Okay, so that's a little bit more sturdy.
This does taste like.
Alright. So this is the last little section I gotta get out. We got all the rest of it. That's where the sink and the stove was. And that funky lift up thing where the stove goes up into the little, that little alcove there. I don't know what you call it. The bump out. I don't know. So we did discover that the jacks don't work. So anyway, but we got all of it done. And I am fixing,
one little section.
I'm fixing to do this last little piece. And then I reckon we're going to call it a day. Because I got to go home and watch Fear the Walking Dead. Yeah. Alright. I'll let you see it when we're all done. I'm going to sleep good tonight.
Work your way around. There we go.
got it?
Yeah. I got it. That heater we might have to save.
I'd say so. This is looking good. You making a little video diary?
Yeah.
Yep. You'd be surprised what people watch on YouTube.
Yeah, I know.
We have the remaking of Poppy, and then we have our old people hiking, oldpeoplehike.com videos where we go hiking.
This is our grandnephew Johnny.
How's
Hi
it
Johnny.
going?
I think we saw him
Working on the
yesterday.
camper?
Yeah.
Having fun. We got all the cabinets out. Don't know what we're gonna do with the heater yet,
Yeah, that's a heater.
and not really sure. I guess the black water just drains right directly out.
Into the floor.
No, that's actually was hooked up to the sink drain.
Sink drain?
Yeah, this is the white water right here. Or the blue. Well, it's the end of our first weekend of working on Poppy. We got all the cabinets taken out, all the banquettes, all the cabinetry, I guess you'd call it. We got that completely cleaned out. We got the inverter taken out. We got the mechanism that raises the sink and the oven or the stove up. We got that taken out. I brought it home so I could drill out the rivets that are holding it together. We found out there's only a small spot, maybe a 6-inch by 6-inch spot on the rear right side of the trailer that is soft. So we'll probably tear a little bit of that out and replace that with some good solid wood. Need new jacks. Probably gonna have to weld them in. Get a good chance to use my welder for a change. But other than that, I mean, she's a solid little beast. I just got to redo the ceiling, and we're probably going to save up to redo the canvas completely, and just go from there. It's going to be fun. Going to enjoy it. I'll start building the cabinets probably in the next day or two, and I'll probably set up a video camera in the garage while I'm doing that. That ought to be a lot of fun. I haven't done that kind of stuff in a long time. I know we haven't been hiking. This isn't hiking, what we do, but if you like what you're seeing, we're going to mix in a little bit of the remodel of our pop-up in with our hiking videos. Go to oldpeoplehike.com and you can get to our Facebook page, you can get to our Instagram page, our YouTube channel, and watch all of our videos of our hiking. If you'd like to get involved, also on our website, you can click on the link and become a Patreon. And you can become part of our family and help us on our adventures. Different things you can do there. Also, if you shop on Amazon, feel free to go on our website and click on any of the Amazon links and purchase your items that way. Won't cost you anything extra, but you can always help us out a little bit by purchasing all of your stuff on Amazon through our affiliate link. So if you do that, that'd be a great pleasure to us. We would certainly appreciate it. Again, if you'd like to become a Patreon, we'd love to have you there too. And we'll give you a personal shout out if you do. So if you like what you see, just go on to oldpeoplehike.com and you can get to everything we're part of. The Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all of that stuff. You can get all of that right there in one spot. So until next time, see you on the trails. Bye.